Rwanda has stepped up preparedness for the novel coronavirus by setting up a test lab at Rwanda's Biomedical Center, the National Referral Lab in Kigali. Now, this makes the country the second in the region to establish such a facility after Kenya. CGTN's Mohamed Abubakar reports.
Rwanda is the latest country in Africa to step up its preparedness for the novel coronavirus, after the country announced this week that they have set up a test lab at the Rwanda Biomedical Center. Dr. Jose Nyamusore is in charge of the country's Epidemic Surveillance and Response Division, says the fully equipped lab is another big preventive measure taken by the government.
I think we're among the rare countries to have it. We never declare it because it's not in our culture to say. We get them, I think it was on before 10th February, if I recall very well, beginning February. So far we can test these new coronaviruses. What remains to sustain that laboratory supply because it's new, they are rare on the market. So this is where we are now maneuvering here and there to compile the stock.
Containing the spread of epidemics is not a new phenomenon here in Rwanda. Last year, they managed to take emergency measures to prevent the spread of Ebola virus across the border from the Democratic Republic of Congo.
We keep adapting ourselves on the reality of the epidemics. And as I said, this comes after just where the Ebola is dropping. So we train a lot of people. And the training does not only provide capacity, but it provides also the alertness to healthcare workers. So once you train someone on the highly pathogenic disease, it stays there, not only for that disease, but it paves a space, a concern for any other disease.
Health authorities here have also identified an isolated location in Muhanga district, just an hour drive from the capital, Kigali, to set up a quarantine facility that can hold up to 300 patients.
If all together we join our efforts, we can fight anything that can happen. And we'll put our heads on, our hands on, our legs on, our heart and the spirits. And containment, timeline, no one knows, but everyone is working to contain it as quick as possible because every outbreak has a lot of implication.
China do have strong trade ties with Rwanda, who also earlier this month indefinitely suspended all direct flights to and from China. All this in a bid to help contain the spread of the virus. Mohamed Abubakar for CGTN, Kigali, Rwanda.